Welcome! Today I am with Jabra Elite 65T and I will show you how you can connect them to your Apple Watch. So at the first, we have to remove both earbuds from the case, and in the most cases they will be turned to the pairing mode automatically. This indicator will turn to the blue color. Let's put them right here. So we have to basically go for the settings on our Apple Watch. Then we have to scroll to the blue settings. And we have to take a look on the available devices list. As you can see in my case, it's not working because this one is blinking on the green color. So we have to click and hold the right earbud for 3 seconds. When it blinks to the red, they are turned off, so we have to turn them on back and move to the pairing mode. So we have to click and hold the right earbud button for 5 seconds. Click and hold it right now. Keep holding. When it blinks on the blue color, we can release. As you can see, after a few moments, Jabra Elite 65T appears on the available devices list. So tap once. And as you can see, right now, we are connected. If you have a problem, for example, the left one is not connected, you have to grab the left earbud, click and hold the left button for 3 seconds. They are turned off, so to turn it on back, just do the same. Click and hold the left earbud, left button until this indicator flash on the green color. And there it is, right now we are successfully connected. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.